Next machine I'm going to cover is the Precor seated row. This one is a little bit like the low cable row on the modular, but this one will be using free weights and it'll give you a little bit different range of motion than you'll find on a cable-based machine. There is a seat adjustment back here. If I lift the yellow lever, this will adjust pretty much to your height. This pad should be sitting on your chest. From here, I enter from the back, put my foot on the plates. Now there's two sets of handles. I can go handles here or a wide grip. If I have my hands on the inside, it's going to work a little bit different area than if I had my hands wider, farther out, just different portions of the back. So on this, once I get myself in, I'll use this handle on the inside. From here, keeping my chest against the pad, notice how I'm not humped over. I'm getting upright, and then from here, I'm bringing this back, and then extend, contract. This is another unilateral, bilateral type machine. If I want to go unilateral, I can do one at a time, or I can go bilateral, two at a time. If I want to change my grip to work a little bit different area of my back, same concept, and you'll feel it's going to work a little bit wider portion of your back. Contract, extend. When I'm done, put it back in the racks, and then you can move yourself out. Now on this one, the weights will slide on the sides, and this is just a tree for extra weights. Once again, when you're done, make sure you take your weights off.